because my hobby is writing. Writing can make me spill all my idea and my inspiration. In this video, I want to share how to make a really kawaii notebook. Easy and simple. And so, let's try it! We fold the paper like this. Then we step twice in this way. Here it's ready. This is for filing in the notebook. Next, we will make the cover. Put the two papers together with double-sided tape. Don't forget to color with markers.
Called you up, said I need you now, cause I'm losing patience. By 4 you were knocking on my door. I said love is a two-way road, he don't care no more, am I going crazy? Needed you just to help forget it all. And it was easy, you put the records on to replay, danced till we couldn't see straight, till the morning came along. Don't need the weekend, we don't wait until the evening, we don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along, cause that's what friends are for.
Finally, join the paper part of the notebook with the cover using hot glue.
That's what friends are for.
If you like my video, don't forget to press the subscribe button, then like, comment, and share. Thank you.